Hello everybody, this is Priyanka Kushwa and welcome to my channel Official Priyanka. Well, in this video, I am going to talk about productivity and how you can be productive. And let me tell you, I am not a perfect person who is very productive, not struggling with time management. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. Even I also face this problem. So that's why I thought of, creating this video and sharing some of the points which is helping me to be productive. So let's understand first of all that what is productivity and what is busyness, because being busy is not something that you're actually putting time or efforts for your goals. If you are busy, and generally you will face this problem and you will hear the same answer that if you ask with your friend, are you busy nowadays? So most of the people will say, yes, I'm busy, I'm very busy, I cannot manage my time, I cannot have time for my family, for my friends, for my hobbies, for my passion, because I have no time and blah blah blah. Well, what is productivity? Productivity is something very important, and nowadays we attach this busyness with productivity, but it's very different. Productivity is something that you're actually putting time or efforts for your goal, for your main purpose. It's not about busyness. If you're busy whole day, it doesn't mean that you're productive. So let's understand how we can be productive in our life. So here are some of my favorite points and some of the points which are most crucial in order to become productive. And if you're busy, it doesn't mean you're actually putting efforts for your goal. If you're productive, that is the only thing that can help you to achieve your goal. So let's discuss one by one. Here are some of my favorite points which can help you to become productive. Number one, focus on one thing at a time. Don't do lot of things at a time, right? Try to have proper time for particular task. Do one thing at a time. Let's suppose if you are having session, if you're having meeting with someone, your full focus to make that particular session very insightful, meaningful, and you can say the wonderful session. Okay, that's what you get it, like what I'm trying to say. Don't juggle with lots of ball at the same time. If you focus on one thing, that can help you to, you will at the end of the day or after completion of that task, you will feel so content. Can't tell you. I am also, like a write diary person. I always write things down, like what I have to do next. So my focus is, let's suppose right now I am creating this video. So my main focus is to create this video in a very confident and smooth manner. That is my main motive. I'm not thinking about what other 100 things are like there for me. No. My focus is to creating the quality of the video, not other 100 things. Hope you get the idea. So make sure to focus on one thing at a time. Don't do too much. You are the only person who will going to do one by one things. If you do it simultaneously running lots of things, that will completely drain your progress and drain your energy. So don't drain yourself. Okay. Number two, set clear goals and deadlines. Let's suppose examination is almost upon you. So now your very first priority is to focus on your exams instead of juggling with other goals, right? Make sure to focus on your main goal and set the deadline. Okay, for this particular hours, like these many hours, I am going to study, and after that I will do my other things. But focus on the goal, what actually matter. Let's suppose you are starting a business, right? And as an entrepreneur, you have to do all alone. But if you cannot, if you cannot focus on deadline, if you cannot focus on one thing at a time or your goals, it's going to definitely create blunders and blunders for you. So focus on the goal and set deadlines for it so that you can achieve it. And after completion of one task, go for the second one. Okay, and that's how you can complete many tasks. Okay, so hope you get the idea. Through second point, my main motive is to convey that Focus on the deadline and set a proper goal. Number 3, use time blocks. It is really wonderful technique, and I'm sure you will definitely love it, because let me tell you, in my phone almost I have timers for all things, for workout, for sessions, for recording these type of videos, solo videos. And nowadays I'm working on my 30-day English challenge. I have completed before one challenge already, and this is my second 30-day challenge. So how I can manage the all these? Through time blocking. I just set the specific time for it. Okay, in this particular time I'll make sure to complete this task. Okay, don't drain yourself. You have to be productive instead of being busy. If you set the clear deadline, if you set the clear time blocking, you can use Pomodoro technique. That is one of the most important, like very easy technique. What you have to do in that, you have to set the 25-minute timer. Okay, and it's an app, I don't know, actually I didn't use ever, but I know that how it works. And I use through normal timer app. I just set the timer for my task, and I just do it in that particular duration, so that my energy level and my productivity is maintained instead of just overloaded with tasks. So you can also do this. Set timer for 25 minutes. Let's suppose you have to read a book, so 25 minutes, set the timer, keep your phone aside and focus on the reading. Don't think about what other things you have to do. Just focus on the reading. In this particular time duration, I will only focus on reading. Just involve and immerse yourself in reading. Okay? And you will see realistic change in your reading, and you will also feel productive. Number 4, delegate the task. You don't have to do all alone. Everything you cannot do it. Just accept it. Okay? Don't try to be superhero. Don't try to do कि हाँ मैं सब कुछ कर लूँगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है, right? If you are focusing on your priorities, your MITs. MITs means most important tasks. Focus on those tasks. Okay? You don't have to do all alone. You have 24 hours, and you have to focus on the quality of your work instead of doing all alone. And if you try to drain your self in this process, you will end up doing nothing. You will be nowhere. So let's suppose, I'll give you example. Through this example you will get it. Let's suppose you are teacher. Okay, and you have your channel, something like that. Okay, I'm just a kind of sharing my journey. So what I do, what all tasks I can delegate to other people, I make sure to delegate. I cannot do all alone. It is not possible. If I'm focusing on everything, okay, I want everything by myself only, I am only going to do it, it's completely going to create blunder for me. That's what I believe, and that's what I realized. Earlier, seriously, I was doing all things alone, but now I try to delegate some of my tasks to other people, so that I can focus on my most important tasks instead of doing all alone. You cannot do all things alone. If you can delegate it, if things are automated, just do it. Take the help of AI, take the help of other tools, take the help of people. Okay, so that you can focus on your main goal. Number 5, take breaks and manage your energy wisely. You have to do it. Let's suppose 24 hours, let's say you woke up at 8 a.m., 7 a.m., and you are just continuously working throughout the day. It's not possible. Till evening, how can you work? So for the quality of your work, for the for maintaining the energy level, you should take naps. That will help you to recharge your battery and coming up with the same energy. And you will feel like so much energized after taking a nap. So make sure to have some breaks. You can, if not much, take 20-minute break, take 15 minutes break. Okay, just set the timer and come back again stronger to conquer your task, what are left at the end of the day. So Make sure to take breaks. That will help you a lot. Seriously. So, to sum up, I just want to say at last, focus on quality of your work instead of being busy. Being busy will not help you anyway. Just focus on one thing at a time, be productive, set time blocks, and just maintain your energy level. There are 5 points which we have covered in this video. Make sure to implement those tips which I have shared, and you can also select your own tips and methods to become productive, because productivity is very important. Don't think that if you're busy you are doing a wonderful job. No, you are not. If you're productive enough, if you're actually putting efforts for the tasks that are really meaningful for you, that really attach to your goals, instead of doing all alone. Hope you get the idea. And at last, thank you very much for watching till the very end. See you on the other side. I mean, in the upcoming videos, I'll be creating these kind of videos, and you can also suggest what all topics you want me to create video on, and definitely I'll create a video. See you. Bye bye. Take care.